What's up guys, Omni here with All Things Tech, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to remotely access your computer using an application called TeamViewer. If this is your first time here, go ahead and drop a like, sub, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay, the first step, we're going to go ahead and open a browser and type in TeamViewer. Let's go ahead and click on the TeamViewer, the remote desktop link. And we're going to go up to downloads. We will be doing this tutorial on Windows, so I'm going to go to Windows. As you can see, they have Mac, Linux, Chrome OS. Select the version that you're running. We're going to click on download TeamViewer. Go ahead and save this. Once the download is completed, go ahead and go to the downloaded folder and click and run the TeamViewer exe file. And as you see here, we're going to go with the default installation and personal non-commercial use. Click accept and finish. And if you get a user access control window, click yes. And we're going to let it extract and install. After the installation, let's go ahead and search for the application. So I'm going to hit the Windows key or start. And recently added TeamViewer. So let's click on that. And as you can see, the interface here, it gives you your personal ID and password, which both can be changed. So let's say we want to help a friend or family member or even a client. They would need this application installed on their PC as well, or laptop. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. Now I'm going to go to my laptop. The unique ID is 916-770-793, which is already populated here. I'm going to click on connect, and it will prompt for password. For passwords, it can be easily randomly changed per section, or you can keep it the same. Let's go ahead and type that in. Make sure not to give your password to just anybody, and if you do so, go ahead and change it after the section is done. It's connecting to my laptop, and here it goes. The cool thing about TeamViewer is you can also transfer files, you can take a screenshot. This is a very convenient way to connect to clients or remote PCs. So the most convenient feature of TeamViewer, and the one that I use the most, is unintended access. So as we can say, if we're trying to connect to a client, a person has to be on the other end to give us the ID and password. The only requirement to use the unintended feature is to sign up for a TeamViewer account, which is free. I already have an account, so let me go ahead and sign in and show you guys how the unintended feature works. So now I'm all signed in, and it has recent contacts, and you can go to computer and contacts. This is my desktop, and this is my laptop here, which is currently offline. And once I get it back online, I can just click on this and sign in without needing a password. Let me bring up my laptop so you can see how this works. As you can see at the bottom right, it will notify you once your PC or laptop is back up and running. Let's go ahead and double click. All I have to do is sign into my account and I'm in. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this tutorial. Go ahead and like, sub, and click that notification bell to get notified when I drop the next video. Peace.